To add transmission fluid to your vehicle, first, check your owner's manual to be sure you know what kind of transmission fluid to use. When you're ready to add the fluid, keep your engine idling and put the transmission in park. Make sure to set the handbrake for safety. Remove the dipstick from the transmission fluid reservoir and insert a funnel into the hole. Pour the fluid into the funnel slowly, taking care not to overfill the reservoir. The amount of fluid you need will depend on whether you're topping off the fluid or completely replacing it after draining the old fluid. Then, push down on the brake pedal to help distribute the fluid through the car's gears while the engine is still idling. Check the transmission fluid level one more time using a dipstick and add a little more to top off the reservoir if necessary. Put the dipstick or cap back in place when you're done.